Good morning, everyone. Cheryl Ann here on a beautiful, clear day. It's supposed to be up to like 81 here today. I looked back through my journals and my Facebook memories, and usually by now we're up in the 90s. But I'm not complaining. Not complaining. Anyway, I'm working on a new journal. It's a sunflower journal. Her spine, let's see. I think her spine is about 3 inches. Yeah. She's a cereal box. And I thought, I haven't even, I'm not done yet. But, I thought maybe you guys would like to see it before I do all the embellishments. Now, each one of these signatures, she's going to have 4. Because my last one had 4, and I really liked it. She was a big, chunky monkey. She had over 160 pages. But see, this one, each one of these signatures now has 9 sheets of paper, except the front one. It has 10. But you can see, they're not sticking out. They're not sticking. I haven't done any fabric on the papers, on the pages. I still have to take my sewing machine and stitch along here on the borders. And I didn't do anything on the spine because I like to cover up my signatures. I'll make a confession. My signatures are not always the best. So I like to cover them up, but you can see there's nothing on the papers yet. So this is bare bones. And I thought, you know what? I don't think I've ever done a video before. So this would be the before. Since she's sunflower garden, I tried to gather sunflowerish things. It's really hard to find scrapbook paper with sunflowers. I did see a few on Amazon, but they're 8.5 by 8.5. And see, this paper is, I cut it down to 9 by 6. 9 by 6. So, it's like, that's kind of small. I did find some gorgeous sunflower kits that I have not, that I didn't have. I found some digital kits that, I'm not familiar with the artists' names, but that's gorgeous. If I hadn't already done the cover, I think I'd put her on the cover. I have some tea-dyed and coffee-dyed papers. I do like to put in some writing paper. I have some fold-out paper. Just give you a little peek here. And you know what? I'm finding that I like to put I'm all thumbs this morning. I like to put, here's some scrapbook paper. But again, it's not that thick. I like to put the thicker two-sided scrapbook paper in the middle because it seems to hold things in better. And since it's sunflower garden, I found this. I have a whole scrapbook pad of this, but for sunflower garden, I thought, ooh, that's really pretty. So each one is going to have a beautiful digital on the front, and I think it has one more. I think, that's from a pad, but I think that's my last one. I think it has one more. Oh, maybe not. I was going to say one more inside, so apparently not. It's one digital each. Oh, look at that. Oh. Looks like Tuscany with sunflowers. Wouldn't that be grand? Oh, look at that. I'm going to have to list the gals I bought these from I have it on my purchases. I just don't have it right in front of me. But look at this sunflower in the barn. Oh, I was in seventh heaven. I love barns. I don't know if I ever told you guys this, but my parents at one point when I was young, I was about 10 or 12, had a 10-acre horse ranch down by Vista, California, Bonsall. And it had one of the primo red barns here in Southern California. My dad tied a rope around his waist and went up and put a new roof on it. And we didn't have horses there because, they never let me have a horse. Oh, look at that. I wish I could do watercolors like that. But, yeah, I used to go riding there. The little boy across the street, they had horses there. I used to go riding all over. Yeah, so we would ride by rattlesnakes. I would hear them in the grass. So they had that for, oh gosh, quite a few years. We'd go down there on weekends. They'd go down. They'd want to escape LA. Oh, I am gonna put some of these in as pockets. I like this one. Oh, it's upside down. Okay, I like this one because it has a little bit hanging down, and I do have. I'm so excited. I found some of my snippet rolls that I haven't used yet. And see, this one does have, there are some shades of blue in there, so I'm thinking, oh, that would be a good one to cut and use. I have another one too. Oh yeah, look at that. So that could be another pocket. Oh, I have that. I want to use this in there. So I might cut that in half and make 2 large pockets. Oh, I have another snippet roll here. Oh, look at that. Yum, yum, yum for pockets. Isn't that? That is really yummy. So, and I have a bunch of fabric. I love this one. I made an apron for myself out of this one. And I don't know if people don't buy aprons, but yeah, I use mine almost every day. I forget I have them on, and I run around the house all day with an apron. But they're so handy because I make really deep pockets in them. So I have that, and these are all my scraps. Oops, upside down. I have that one. Oh, I have this one with the little birds. I'm still waiting on the Orioles and the grosbeaks to show up here. And even that one, the green, I made a whole journal out of that. Heather, I think you have that one. These colors are gonna blend so well. And then I hate to cut this one up. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Oh, but look at that with the jars. I suppose I could cut that much off and then cut it. This is my last piece of this one, and then cut it like that and put that in. And then I have this one. I have a whole bag full of sunflower fabrics. This isn't even 10% of it. So that's what I'm working on today. I'm staying in. I've had a little cold. Hubby and I both have some kind of cold. I've had sore throat, headache, the blahs, no energy. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I have enough of this left. This is just an extra piece to make a couple more aprons, so I may do that after this. So anywho, I thought it would just be kind of fun to show you the before, and then of course I'll do a flip through of the after. So this is what I have so far. Bare. She's bare. She is completely unembellished. So I'm going to go get another cup of coffee and get to work. So until next time, thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Until next time, bye for now.